Alright, today what I'm doing right now is hiding my amplifier wires, because before I had it coming out. I don't know why I did this. Oh yeah, because when you're wiring in a rush in the winter, I ran it through this slot here and it came out, and you could see the wires all down the side. Got them things all tucked in there. But yeah, just gotta put door seal down. All wired up, I gotta tuck those in a little bit, otherwise. Put my door seal back on. Tape up some wires. Still working back here, it's work in progress. Tape up those wires, zip tie, whatever. I don't know. Put this door seal back on. One tip with if you have to rewire your stuff like this is you don't have to disconnect your battery all in all. I just disconnected my fuse and that worked perfectly fine to disconnect the positive cable when I ran it back through, so you don't blow anything. Alright, let's put these screws in this door seal. I can't remember if it went over the plastic or under. I'm gonna look over there. Oh yeah, it's all on top. Just throw these screws in. Make sure I'm lined up with the hole, because there's a slot there. All right, there we go. Screw those back down. Yep, that's all I'm doing, working on cleaning up my interior. And those wires were bugging me really bad, so we had to clean that up. No wires whatsoever in my car, besides like a charger for your phone. But yeah, getting there. Oh well, my power wire for my radio, which I need to redo that too. We'll get there.